Welcome to the Carnaby, here in Labuan Bajo.
We are spending 3 days travelling around the Komodo National Park, staying in a luxurious Phinisi boat. That adventure starts now, but first, we need to get there. We checked out of our hotel, were picked up by the company, and we met our guide, Dedi. Once everyone had arrived, we met our fellow shipmates. Don't worry, I'll introduce you guys soon. We jumped on our tender, and off we went to our new home for the next 2 days.
Here we go. Wow. This looks so nice. I think we picked the right boat.
First, we met our crew, who would look after us for these next couple of days. Then we met our shipmates, who we would spend the next 3 full days together with. We had the French couple, Matt and Victoria, the German couple, Luca and Claudia, the Canadian couple, Mark and Sarah, the Lithuanian couple, Elena and Phyllis, and the US couple, Martin and Skylar, and of course, the Aussie couple, plus their kid, Yana, Luke and Jessie. This would become our family for the next 3 days. Once the introductions were out of the way, the captain set off to our first stop, whilst we explored the boat and got settled into our rooms. We obviously got the family cabin, and I was pleasantly surprised by how much space there actually was.
This is frickin' spectacular.
Very shortly we'll be in the water and snorkeling with some fishes.
Hopefully some turtles too.
Turtles. Our captain here is taking us across to that jetty there. So we're gonna basically drift between the islands and the jetty. Our favourite kind of snorkeling is drift snorkeling. Cue the 360.
Straight in the water, and we were met by a turtle. And he wasn't the only one. They just kept appearing over and over again. After quite some time in the water, it was back to the boat where lunch was waiting.
Lunch is delicious. We got some tuna, some chicken, and some prawns.
And by the time we'd finished eating, it was on to the next snorkel spot, where we searched for manta rays.
So that was the first 2 activities of the day, both snorkeling ones. That second one was pretty cool, seeing that manta ray.
It was just dancing around in circles. It didn't run away from you like in Nusa Penida.
Yeah, just chilled out and off it went.
And like Nusa Penida, it was nowhere near as rough. There weren't as many people. It was way better. So if you're coming to Indonesia just to do the manta rays, I would suggest coming here instead.
Lunch was really nice, and now we're eating some fried bananas. This is fantastic. They're just non-stop feeding us.
It's really good.
Yeah, there's snacks on the table at all times that we can eat, and they just keep bringing out food.
Off we go to the next thing.
Off we go to the pink beach.
The currents that flow through here are next level.
In that first snorkeling spot, the water would go like boiling hot. Like a bath. And then freezing cold, and then boiling hot, and you'd swim through patches that were like really, really warm. It's the underwater thermals coming up from the volcanoes. It's crazy. It's just fantastic. Love it. Love it. Third activity for the day, Pink Beach. Yeah, I'm smart. Petrol power all the way. And there's Jessie.
Don't know if you can see that, but it is a pink beach. I wonder what makes the sand pink.
Yana,
Give us some facts.
The pink beach is pink because of these little guys. As you can see, they are the red and bright pink coral. What happens is they break up, they come onto the beach, and they turn the white beach pink. It's as simple as that.
I've seen a few vloggers vlog on this, and they're like, "Oh, the beach is pink, rah, rah, rah." Pretty pink to me. Don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but that's really pink. Like really pink. So, yeah. Maybe they were here at high tide? I don't know.
One of the great things about doing this 3-day, 2-night trip is you're here after all the day trippers go home. So you have most of the beach to yourself. Look behind us. Not a single person. And that's because all the day trippers, they've gone home, they're done. But we can stay as long as we want.
These two getting a photo shoot. Cute.
Definitely utilise the photo and video opportunities by your guide. Dedi was awesome at it. But of course, bring your own camera too, because it doesn't matter what you do, as long as you remove your lens cover, the photos will turn out amazing. As the sun set, the colours just kept on changing. It was so epic. I highly recommend this place.
We are currently moving to our mooring spot for the night. What a day today. Sitting here on the roof just contemplating, thinking about what we've been through today and what we've done, and it's been great. What a great day. What do you reckon, Jesse?
I think that today has been very fun and I'm excited for the next 2 days.
After another amazing meal, it was off to bed. We had a very early morning the next day.
Good morning, world. It's currently 5 a.m. We are going out for the Padar Island sunrise hike.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
We're missing one of our members because she is not well, can't walk properly, so she's just going to stay. So yeah, join us as we hike Padar Island and watch the good old sunrise. Alright, Jesse, there we go. It's an absolute circus of dinghies rocking up.
Oh, I see people on the
Look at
hill.
them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus us, 5.
Jenny. Mum could have walked in this.
Alright, first checkpoint done.
We got to go all the way. There you go. Get some deer along the way to see. Didn't look like he was scared of anyone, so which is good. Disclaimer: don't sit on a motorbike for 3 weeks before doing this. Oh, it's amazing how unfit the body gets in such a short time. Whew. So you know, we made it to the end. It's pretty stunning up here. And look at our background.
I mean, I feel like over there is more stunning than over there.
It is a bit, isn't it?
Like,
With the rocks. Here, let us turn you around. Just gorgeous there. Just like that, sun's up. That was the sunrise at Padar Island. It's not that busy. Dedi said that, you know, during peak seasons and that, 2,000 people up here. There's maybe 200 at the most. Maybe 200 people. Perfect. I think we come at the perfect time. So I'd hate to see it with 2,000 gone.
All in this little space.
Now me and Jesse are going to count all the stairs going down.
Are we?
Yep. So we've come across this little spot. It must be the local Instagram spot because there is people everywhere.
Like I said earlier, make sure you utilise these photo opportunities.
We're literally counting every step on the way down.
100 steps. 100
So where are you up to now?
300.
300 steps.
Yep.
Oh. 68, 69, 70. There, 400. You going to keep counting?
Yeah, I'll keep it.
All right. Well, as I make my final descent down to the beach where the boat will pick us up, was it good? I think so. Places like this are always going to be crowded. I think we got lucky. Just like every good tourist destination, there's a souvenir shop right at the end.
We're at 800 steps right here.
800?
Yeah.
And there's a deer on the beach.
820 stairs.
As we got back on board, they handed us dragon fruit drink and a cold towel. Oh, it smells good.
Next up on the itinerary after the sunrise viewpoint is the Komodo Islands, where we get to see some Komodo dragons for the first time ever. Are you excited, Mum?
I am.
After a visit by the dolphins, we headed to our next stop. Off to Komodo Island. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to be notified when the next video comes out. Your support for our channel does not cost you anything, but it means the world to us.